Good evening and welcome to RC Crazy. In today's episode, we got some helicopter bashing to do, so stay tuned for this episode of RC Crazy. Alright guys, so this isn't really going to be a review. This is just, Matthew got this for Christmas, and we're going to film him flying it. He's never really got to fly a helicopter before, because the one we got him for his birthday, which was the
blue and black
the blue Sky Rovers, they're horrible. We had to take them back because they kept breaking. He never got to fly any, but they're the ones before these. And,
see if it breaks or not.
So this is what comes with the charger, the helicopter, which is, it's called the Vigilante, which is a smaller version of the one I got, which is the Outlaw. So I imagine it's going to probably fly the same as the Outlaw, or similar to it. This isn't really a review because I've already done a review on the Outlaw, and I'm assuming, like I just said, that it'll fly similar. But this is just a video on kind of teaching Matthew how to fly. Here's the controller. This is your up and down. This is your spin, left and right, and forward. Looks like your trim, power button, and that's about it. It takes 3 AAA batteries. Remember, you got to push this to move it forward. You got to push this forward. So if it goes back, you have to move it forward. Okay? There you go. Yep, push it forward. Yep. Just got to push it forward. Just keep trying until you get comfortable with it. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Now you're getting it, buddy. Watch out, Lily. Now you're getting it, bud.
But I crashed and landed just like this.
That's okay. Come on. That's how you learn. Ah.
I accidentally just pushed that too.
Yeah, not too bad, but you're getting good at taking off. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go, buddy. Now you're getting it. Oh yeah. No. You're doing good, bud. That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was a good one. Now you're getting it, bud.
You landed it.
That was a good one. You're getting better, bud. Yep.
You landed it.
That's awesome. You're doing great.
You landed it.
Yeah. Oh, that one took right off. So yeah, I definitely like this one, guys. This one seems like it's a good flyer. Matthew's 9, he'll be 10 soon, so he's doing great at learning to fly this. He's flown drones before, so he understands some of the concept behind it. But it is a whole new other animal, completely different than drones and how you steer it.
It almost crashed.
Yep. He's just learning the controls, so.
Yeah, because I haven't flown one in a while.
Ah! Oops. You better move, Marcus. Matthew will get you. Yeah, press forward. Ah! Oh no! You gotta remember. You gotta learn orientation from where it's facing you and how to use the controller. It gets tricky sometimes, especially when you're steering forward and it's coming at you. Good job, bud.
It bounced on the bottom when it flipped.
And I don't even think we trimmed it out, and it's staying pretty good for staying pretty good for being straight. It's not spinning or anything. We didn't have to trim it out or anything. There you go, bud. You got it. Yep. You're doing great. Hey, you're doing good, bud. You're getting it, Matthew. Ah, there you go. Keep push it up. Yep. Get it back up. Yeah, you're doing awesome, Matthew. Ah! And the next thing we'll have to try father and son helicopter flying. Have to charge mine up and try it out. Ah! Ah, it's stuck to me. Stuck to my foot.
Look at Marcus.
And press forward.
I'm doing it, but now it's just.
Oh, this is probably sucking right to the wall.
Mommy's waking up and starts making stuff.
Ah!
I'm doing good.
Yeah.
And before me a while, now I'm doing good.
It sucked right to mommy. Oh, so you went up too high. Hey, you can't go up too high. You have to try to keep it low because if it goes to the ceiling,
Stuck up there.
if it goes to the ceiling, it'll suck up to the ceiling and you can't get it down and then it'll crash.
Oh, grabbing
So as you can see, it steers with the back propeller there. If he wants it to go forward, this spins and presses the rear end up. That's how it goes forward. Watch your face. Ah, I crashed. Oh, monster. So this is an indoor helicopter only. You cannot take this outside. You're okay. There you go. Just press forward. Yep, you got it. Ooh. Ah.
Don't move.
Yeah, don't land it on your face. Ah.
Because it might hurt.
Yep.
Or go straight for your face.
Yeah, the battery life in this ain't too bad at all. This is like going on 9 minutes of fly time. You're doing awesome, Matthew. You did a really great job.
It's crashed into yours. Well, that was a good landing.
Yep. Oh, hit my coffee cup.
That was some damn break.
Ding. Was that it? It's not going up?
It can, but...
Oh, nope, that's it.
No.
Alright guys, we're looking at a 10-minute battery fly time. That's awesome. You like it? Is that fun? Ready to charge it up and do it again? Alright. Alright guys, there you have it. The Vigilante by Sky Rover. Very good flyer indoors. Easy enough for a 10-year-old to fly. So if you liked your scene, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share it. Come check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Links will be in the description below. If you need to get hold of us for any reason, we do have an email address. All lowercase, RCCRAYZ @yahoo.com. And don't forget, guys, just keep droning.